Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing really good. So guys, we are going to complete the remaining part of service costing so that we are able to complete our series of English lectures of cost accounting on YouTube, absolutely free of cost. All the lectures are applicable for upcoming attempts of May 22, November 22, May 23, November 23, May 24, 25, 26, 27. So all the upcoming years, these lectures are applicable, right? So stay away from all those who are trying to create such kind of a nonsense that these lectures are not applicable or something like that, right? So that is not true. So just watch the videos or ask our team, ask me that, sir, are these lectures applicable? These lectures are absolutely applicable because all the lectures uploaded, costing, FM, eco, all the lectures uploaded on the YouTube are the static subjects, right, with no amendments. And in future, in case there are any amendments, I will for sure update that on YouTube only for you people, right? So for now, these lectures are fully applicable for the upcoming attempts. Okay. So before the December attempt, we left the few topics of the service costing because I was not well at that time. I just completed the conceptual part, and for the practical part, I gave the access on the app, right, on my mobile app, where the ICAI SM series is available in complete English, updated for the May 22 module. It is available, and in future also we will keep coming up with the updated version as and when the new module is available by the ICAI, right? So for now, as per the updated module of May 22, November 22, it is available on our Android as well as iOS mobile app. So the good thing is we have come up with the iOS app also. Earlier we were available only on the Android app. Now the iOS app is also available. The link is given in the video description. There is a My Institute app which is there on the Apple Play Store. Download that app and you have to enter the organization code HMRPY, right, to access our courses. Okay, so now let's try to cover the remaining part of service costing. We cover service costing. In that we have already covered the transport costing, right? So we covered with the transport costing, we have done the practical part also, transport costing. So in this lecture what we are going to cover is we are going to cover the next type of service, that is hotel costing, right? Hotel costing. Let's see. So what is a hotel, sir? What is a hotel? You might have often gone on a vacation with your family or with your friends, isn't it? You stay in a hotel, right? You stay in a hotel. Now, is that hotel giving you the free stay? No, sir. They charge you some money, right? What are they charging for? When you go to a hotel, what will they show you? They will show you, sir, this is our normal room. They will say, sir, there are three types of room. One is our normal room. The rent is say 1500 rupees, right? Another one they will say, sir, this is our deluxe room. The rent is say 2500 rupees. And another one is a suite, which may cost you say 4500 rupees. Now, the thing here is that, sir, how they are charging this amount, how they are setting up this amount, right? That is a big issue, that how they are setting up this amount for you. Clear? Now try to understand it. Sir, they are running a business, isn't it? Obviously, hotel, they are running a business. They are providing you the services, they are charging for that. If they are running a business, they are considering two things, right? That if they provide you, if you are staying in a deluxe room, say you are staying in a deluxe room, they will be providing some services to you, isn't it? What is the cost of those services? Right? What is the cost of the services? They will obviously identify. They will have to provide the bedding, and the toiletries will be there, then room service will be there. So everything, the service cost will be there, and they will add profit to this cost, right? After adding profit, they will be identifying that what should be the room rent that we should be charging, so that we are able to cover our cost also and we are able to earn the profit also. So if they say that they are charging 2500 rupees for a deluxe room, that means this 2500 has two elements. One is cost and one is the profit element, isn't it? Right? And they are charging for the services, sir. They are not charging for the room. They are charging for the services that they are providing. They are not providing you any goods. right? If you say that, sir, they are providing the food, sir, food is a secondary thing. The first thing is the service they will be providing to you, that you stay here, you come here, you have a comfortable stay here, right? They will be providing their hospitality. So all this is the primary motive is a service here, right? Secondary motive is a food. You are staying in a hotel, you might have food or not there, but you are staying now, isn't it? You are staying in that hotel, that means you are taking their services. You will be making use of the room service also, right? So the product is a secondary thing in this. Okay, so the hotel costing is a method of ascertaining the cost of providing the services by a hotel. So this document is our book only, right? So you can buy the books from our website, that is www.ksjteaching.org. The books are available on the website. You can buy from there. The updated books with the concept book and a solved question book. Okay. Objectives. The objectives of hotel costing are as follows: to ascertain the operating cost of running a hotel, to fix the room rent per day on the basis of operating cost, that if I am running a hotel, what is my operating cost, and according to that, what is the room rent that I should be charging per day, right? To fix the higher charges of a banquet hall. Banquet hall is in case of marriages, in case of birthday parties, in case of other parties, right? You can book a full hall there. If you have, say, a gathering of 50 persons or 100 persons, then you can book a banquet hall and have a fun there and have a party there, right? For that also they will be taking the charges now. Food charges will be there, higher charges there. On but what basis they should be do that? If they know their cost of providing the service, if they know how much of the profit they need to earn from that, right? So that ways they should be setting the charges. So what are the steps involved in the hotel costing procedure? Very simple, sir. As in the transport costing we have done, here also there are various steps, that how these steps should be followed whenever you are involved in the hotel costing procedure. Select the cost unit as follows: that per room per day or per bed per day. Now what is this? Per room per day. Sir, you go to a hotel and you are being charged for a room like this, right? What this is, rent per room. This is per room per day, no issues. Now say you go to a place where there is a big room, there is a huge room, right? And there are, say, multiple beds lying there. Okay, so you can take just one bed. Say you are a solo traveler. You go on a trip, you are going, you stay there at a place. If you, as a solo traveler, you are still a student, you do not have that much of earnings to spend 2500 rupees on a individual room. You say, I will live in a sharing, I don't mind it, right? I will live in a sharing. So you are just hiring this one particular bed. You are not hiring the full room. On this bed there might be another person, on this another person, on this another person. So you are being charged only for this particular bed only, right? He says 100 rupees per day. Now as a student, as a solo traveler, you will say, this is not bad. 100 rupees per day, fine, just give me the one bed. I don't mind people lying here, other people will be there, I don't mind it, right? I just have to stay for a night, and in the morning I'll go on my trek. So hardly matters. 100 rupees per day, instead of spending 2500 rupees, 100 rupees, I'm fine. Right? So in this case, the costing will be done for one bed. That how this 100 rupees is set for providing particular bed. So that is why the cost unit here is per bed per day. Clear? Right? Normally we follow this one. Normally per room per day is done. Right? In the step 2, we try to find out the effective room days. Effective room days means for how many days our rooms are occupied. Right? Number of rooms, how many rooms are there in a hotel. Occupancy rate, what is the percentage occupancy rate, and for how many days these rooms are occupied. Because the whatever we are charging, or whatever the cost we want to identify, the room rent we identify, it will be charged only if that room is occupied, right? If that room is empty, whatever you do with the empty rooms are nothing. There will be no cost, there will be no room rent, there will be no income, no expenditure. What is to be done? Only sometimes repairs and maintenance might be there, right? Nothing else will be there. Right? So effective room days means for how many days your rooms are occupied. Okay. Then calculate the total fixed cost for a particular period, and then calculate the fixed cost per room day. Right? As per calculated step number 2, number of room days, then variable cost per room day. Then the total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost will give you the total operating cost. Clear? This is how the hotel cost sheet is prepared. Clear? This is how the hotel cost sheet is prepared. Fixed or the standing charges are there: staff salary, room attendant salary, lighting, heating, power, repairs, maintenance, license fee, interior decorating and furnishing, depreciation on the building and furniture. Then variable cost is there: cost of free tea, coffee in the room, cost of complimentary breakfast, toiletries, bathroom supplies, cost of bed and bed sheet. These are the variable expenses, total operating cost. Sir, is it necessary in the exam to bifurcate in the fixed cost and the variable cost? See, if you can do it, that is well and good. If you are not able to do it, then leave it. Okay. Now in this, some of the expenses might be semi-variable also. For example, the lighting, heating, power, you can take it. This is a kind of semi-variable cost. Why, sir? Semi-variable cost. See, if the room is not occupied, you will not have the lighting expenditure in that room, isn't it? Will there be? No, sir. But so that means it is variable. It is dependent upon the occupancy. But at the same time, there will be some areas in the hotel where you will always need the lighting. Say it is the reception part. In the reception, if you say there are no customers, can you switch off the light of the reception and sit in the dark? No, sir. Right? Then nobody will come to the hotel, isn't it? That's true. So you will have to keep the lighting of this part always on. So in that case, it is a sort of fixed cost. Similarly, repairs and maintenance can be a semi-variable cost, right? So it will vary upon the type of expenditure. Clear? Normally, this is how the hotel cost sheet is prepared. So first step always remains calculation of effective room days. Okay, calculation of effective room days. Now try to understand what kind of a problem is asked related to hotel costing, right? Listen to it very carefully before we jump onto the practical part. When we talk about hotel costing, what kind of a problem can be asked in the examination, or what kind of questions are there in the ICAI module also, right? See, they say that there is a particular hotel, say ABC. The staff salary, you are given some expenses. Staff salary, say 20,000 rupees, right? Then you are given lighting, heating, power, 10,000 rupees. Okay. Then you are given repairs and maintenance, 10,000 rupees. Then I'll take it variable cost. Directly I'll write variable cost, combination of various things. Okay. 10,000 rupees. So there is a total cost of 50,000 rupees. This is the total cost. Now, again, the next thing that they say is there are three kinds of rooms, right? There are three types of rooms: single room, right? Single room, double bedroom, single bedroom, right? Then there is 3-bedroom, right? Now, what is the main issue here? Try to understand the main problem in this. The main problem here is that, sir, this cost of 50,000, this is given combined for the complete hotel, in which there is a single room also, in which there is a double room also, in which there is a 3-bedroom also, right? We have to set the room rents for the individual rooms. For the single room, you need to know the cost of the single room plus profit. Similarly, for double, you need to know the cost plus the profit. Similarly, for the 3-bedroom, you need to know the cost plus profit. Isn't it? So now the main problem here is that, sir, you need to bifurcate this 50,000 between the 3 rooms, right? And in the service costing, there is no direct method of bifurcation. Like in the overheads, we say there are methods of distribution. We have studied about the apportionment, allocation, everything we have studied about, isn't it? But in service costing, there is no as such direct method that we are able to distribute this 50,000 between the three set of rooms. But we need to do it, sir. Without that, we won't be able to solve the question. Then how to do it? Now, to solve this, what we do is we convert all the rooms into a single category. We convert double rooms into single room. We convert 3 rooms into single room. Sir, how do we convert it? Sir, do we take one bed out of this double room to convert it into single room, or do we take two beds out of this 3 bedroom to convert it into single room? No, it is not the physical conversion. It is just the conversion for the calculation purpose. How we do it? Say, for example, try to understand it. Uh, Say a single room rent is 100 rupees. Single room rent is rupees 100, right? And say the double room rent is double this. Double room rent is equal to rupees 200. Okay, understood. Now my question is, if I want to convert this double into single, what is the meaning of this conversion? The meaning of conversion here is that, sir, I want to earn this 200 from the single room, right? If I am earning 200 from one double room, if I want to earn the same 200 rupees from a single room, how many single rooms will be required? So 2 single rooms will be required. 200, that will be equal to one double room. So from here I can say one thing, that one double room is equal to 2 single rooms. Right? One double room is equal to 2 single rooms. So say there are 50 double rooms in a particular hotel. So 50 double rooms will be equal to 100 single rooms. The meaning of this is that whatever the rent you will be earning from 50 double rooms, the same rent you can earn from 100 single rooms. Right? Whatever the rent you will be earning from 50 double rooms, the same rent you can earn from 100 single rooms. This is the meaning. Got it? So this is how the things will be used in the practical questions. When you will see the hotel costing question in the ICAI module also, there also this conversion is required. I have discussed all these things in detail in the ICAI SM series also, the English version that is available on our iOS and Android apps. Okay, so you can go and buy from there. That series is really helpful for your exams, right? Okay guys, now let's come to the practical part of it. There is one practical question that we'll be solving, right? Let's see which practical question we have to solve it. Question number 7 we will do, right? This question number 6 is very simple. You people can do it. Number of rooms, occupancy rate, number of days in a month, and number of working months in a year. Simply 300 multiplied by 90% multiplied by 30 multiplied by 7. This will be your answer. This you can do it. Okay. Question number 6, this is calculation of room days, basically for how many days in a complete year the rooms are occupied. Now coming to question number 7, from the following information calculate what rent should be charged for each type of the suites. Single room days is 51,300, double room days is 22,800, and 3 room days are 9,300. Total room rent receipts are 62,46,000. The rent of the single room to be fixed as 2/3 of the double room suite, of which the rent is 3/4 of the rent of the 3-room suite. What does he want to say? He says that the rent of the single room is equal to 2/3 the rent of the double room. Right? So from here I can say one thing, that 3 single room is equal to 2 double room. I can say this. That means whatever the rent you will earn from 2 double rooms, the same rent you will earn from 3 single rooms. Right? The same rent you will earn from 3 single rooms. Clear? After that what he says is, 2/3 of the double room suite, of which the rent is 3/4 of the rent of the 3-room suite. Right? So the rent of double room, he says double room is equal to 3/4 of 3-room. Right? So from here I can say 4 double room is equal to 3 triple room. That means whatever the rent you are going to earn from 3 triple rooms, the same rent you will earn from 4 double rooms. Now I can substitute. Now what will happen? I need to convert into single rooms. I want to convert all these into single rooms, right? Here I can say single room is equal to 2 by 3 double room. Now if I want to convert this double room into single room, what I can say? I can say 4 multiplied by 3 by 2 single room is equal to 3 triple room, right? So 3 gets cancelled. This is 2. So 2 SR is equal to 1 TR. That means that whatever the rent you will earn from 1 triple room, the same amount of rent you can earn from 2 single rooms. Sorry. Clear? This is how the conversion will take place. Let's see. Okay, now he says 2 double room suite is equal to 3 single room suites. Sir, how can he say this, sir? The question says single room is equal to how much? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 double room. Right? So take 3 here. 2 double room is equal to 3 single room. Any doubts? No, sir. Then 1 double room, take 2 here. 3 by 2 single room. Right? That whatever the rent you will earn from 1 double room, the same can be earned from 3 by 2 single rooms. Whatever the rent you will earn from 3 by 2 single room, the same rent you can earn from 1 double room. Similarly, he says that 3 room suite. He says that double room is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 triple room. So take 4 here. So 4 double room is equal to 3 room suite. Clear? Now what he has done is he has substituted this value double room suite he has substituted with this one. So 4 by 3 double room suite, 1 3 room suite is equal to 4 by 3 double room suite. 1 3 room suite now being converted into 2 single room suites. Right? The conversion I have shown here also to you. This is the conversion. First, 4 double room is equal to 3 triple room. Now substitute the value of double room from here. I have substituted the value of double room, that 3 by 2 single room. Taking the 2 here, 3 by 2 single room. Right? So this comes to 2 single room is equal to 1 3 room set. Okay. Now the ratio is everything is converted into a single room now. Everything is converted into a single room. So whatever is the cost of that, whatever is the room days, sorry, not cost, these are the room days. These are the room days given to you. These need to be converted. 1 into 51,300, correct, right? After that, now double room. 1 double room is equal to 3 by 2. He says 1 double room is equal to 3 by 2 single room. Okay, now how many double rooms are there? 22,800. So if I have to take 22,800 double rooms, how many single rooms? 3 by 2 multiplied divided by 1 multiplied by 22,800. 3 by 2 multiplied by 22,800. Right? Now this becomes my single room now. Right? I have converted my double rooms into single room on the basis of the equation given, simply putting. Right? Similarly, this is for the 3 rooms. This is for the 3 rooms 9300. We say that 1 3 room set is equal to 2 single rooms, not double rooms, 2 single rooms. Right? This is what we have calculated. Right? 1 TR is equal to 2 SR and 9300 TR is equal to 2 by 1 multiplied by 9300. Right? That will give you the number of single rooms. Triple rooms converted into single rooms. Okay? So what we have done is we have converted all the rooms into single rooms now. 1,04,100. This is this much single rooms. Right? So that means total room receipts 62,46,000. Total single room days 1,04,100 rent per single room, 60 rupees. So this is the rent for one single room. Now we can do it. Rent for double room. Double room is 3 by 2 of single room. One double room is equal to 3 by 2 of single room. So 3 by 2 of this, right? 3 by 2 multiplied by 60, 90 rupees. For 3 room, 60 multiplied by 2, right? Because one triple room is equal to 2 single rooms. So if you have the single room rent is 60 rupees. So one triple room set rent will be 2 multiplied by 60, that is 120 rupees. Clear? Any doubts? Total room rent receipts are given. So the main purpose in this question is convert all the rooms into a single room and then calculate the rent for one room. The other rooms will be calculated on the basis of the equation. So these kind of questions can be asked in the examination. These are important, and the similar questions I have done in the ICAI SM series also. There is a question, similar question in the ICAI module also. I hope it is clear. So we are done with the hotel costing with this, right? There is one question number 8 also. Okay. Wait. There is question number 8 also. We will discuss this question in the next lecture, right? It will be a lengthier one. In the next lecture, we'll do question number 8 also, right? Because this is on the hotel, and then we will do the hospital costing also. We'll try to discuss the hospital costing also in the next lecture, right? So see you guys in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.